for another update. Let's take a look at this coin called Mumbarak over here, and what we see is a 5-wave move to the downside, and the 5th wave perfectly terminated at the 61.8% fib, and then we came up in a 3-wave move. Now there is a possibility that this over here is the correction finish, and we're coming up in an impulsive move up, and we still need to see a wave 5 to the upside. This wave 5 will likely take us to around the 61.8% fib, sitting at 0.097, but it could have an extension towards 11 cent. Now we can only confirm that we're going to have an impulsive move up as long as we get above this red region over here at the interim 702 and 786, sitting at 0.06 and 0.064. We need to see a 4-hour close above those two levels in order to confirm that we're having this impulsive move to the upside. Otherwise we're going to come down for a C wave down to these lower retracements and then form a bigger base, right? This may even be a Wyckoff accumulation range, right? This may be your Wyckoff accumulation range, and it may trend sideways before making its way to the upside, or worst case scenario, this is just all she wrote over here, and this is your ABC correction, right? And instead of coming down in a corrective formation for your B wave, before we have a C wave to the upside, instead of doing that, it would go below these two levels, and then this would be your wave 4. So this is your wave 1, your wave 2, your 3rd wave, 4th, and then you have a wave 5 down here, which would be confirmed by a move below these two levels. But the more optimistic scenario would be that we just form this base, or we come up for this wave 5. But yeah, this is what I see on Mumbarak. What we see on the daily time frame is that we are pretty strong, but we are finding a little resistance under the 50% fib. I'd be mainly taking a look at this level right here. Okay, we are above the 21 and 50-day moving average. Right over here, we're above the 21 and 50-day. If we take a look at the 21 and 50 on the 4-hour, we can see that we're also above that as well. So you may come a little bit higher. We'll see how this plays out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out. Take it easy. See you in the next one.